We're heading to Meli for the ministry. Even today with the bike. A pre-Christmas celebration, so we want to wish you advance pre-Christmas.
If you are around Sonada and Darjeeling, please come by and we will love to welcome you here.
Yeah.
And do remember us in prayer as we organize it today. Yeah.
Chalo, chalo, chalo. So this is the venue that we are gonna initiate here. So yeah, so good. Yeah, so all the villagers will be coming down and then we're gonna have a wonderful time together. All the preparations are going on by now. I want to settle up.
Among us, and we beheld his glory, the glory of the holy only begotten of the Father.
Step our program है अझ धेरै एक्टिभिटिज छ हामी प्रोग्राम सुरु गर्नको लागि तर let us all begin with a word of prayer है आओ हामी
प्रभु हामी धन्यवाद दिएर आराधना सेवा Are you ready?
Yes!
Close brother, hallelujah. Yeah. Walking in the light of Jesus. Walking in the light. Action no. Walking ma to तपाईको टेन्सन भएर खडा गरेको छ हैन No. Tension. Walking in the light of Jesus. Walking in the light. Oh, in the light. Jumping in the light of Jesus. Jumping in the light of Jesus. In the light, oh, in the light, oh, tapping in the
ढाका साडी मखमली चोलीलाई हेकान्छी हृदयमा ख्रिस्टकै जिउँदो वचनलाई साँची ढाका साडी मखमली चोलीलाई हेकान्छी हृदयमा ख्रिस्टकै जिउँदो वचनलाई साँची ख्रिस्टलाई बुझाउन ख्रिस्टमा बाँचेर सबलाई बचाउन ख्रिस्टलाई बुझाउन ख्रिस्टमा बाँचेर सबलाई बचाउन
लेखेको छ तर एक्कासी ती दूतगणसँग यसो भनेर परमेश्वरको स्तुति गर्ने स्वर्गीय सेनाको एक दल देखा पर्यो परमधाममा परमेश्वरलाई महिमा र पृथ्वीमा उहाँ प्रसन्न हुनुभएका मानिसहरूलाई शान्ति
के हो भने एकजना पिता थियो रे उहाँले एकजना आफ्नो छोरालाई यति माया गरेर उहाँलाई हुर्काउनु भयो के उहाँलाई खानु मन लागेको आफै नखाएर छोरालाई पढाउनु भयो रे उहाँलाई शिक्षा दिनु भयो रे त्यस्तो गर्दा त्यो छोरा चाहिँ एक दिन उहाँको आफ्नो एमए बीए सकेर ग्रेजुएट पोस्ट ग्रेजुएट सकेर पनि फर्केर आउँदाखेरि अन्दर चाहिँ
Mailing family and also the Sonata group. Yeah. People are they cooked here. So
and we are gonna have a good time.
so
We are
you
in a very beautiful place, located just below 7 kilometers below the main town Sonada. So we are here, and the name of the place is Milling.
Milling,
so
huh?
just nearby, you can see a very beautiful rainbow waterfall.
Rainbow Waterfall. Where is it?
Just nearby.
Nearby.
Just 2 kilometers down.
Together.
Welcome back. Same day, same vlog.
So it's a entertainment time, a dance, solo, group song, and all will be witnessing here. So let's go and check out. This is Naga dance performing. Manipurwa. Dance in Nepali also, man. Yeah. Ending. Whoa!
महिमा नेपाली भाकैमा येशुलाई दिउला प्रशंसा महिमा नेपाली भाकैमा येशुलाई दिउला मादलको तालैमा सरङ्गी खैजडी बाँसुरी बजाउँदै दिउला बाँसुरी बजाउँदै दिउँला कोहीले कुहु गर्दै जय जयकार गर्छ येशूको नाउँलाई झरना झरना झर्छ पहाडबाट उनको अनुग्रह चाहिँ कोहीले कुहु गर्दै जय जयकार गर्छ येशूको नाउँलाई झरना झरना झर्छ पहाडबाट उनको अनुग्रह चाहिँ हिउँलाई ढाक्यो गाउँघर पहिरो फुली व्यर्थ छाउँदा चिसो चिसो हावा हिमाल भेगबाट धुरो बगी आउँदा हिमाल हिउँलाई ढाक्यो गाउँघर पहिरो फुली व्यर्थ छाउँदा
Yeah, it was a great enjoyment, successful ministry. We want to say thank you to everyone. You enjoyed and you got some glimpse of our ministry. So yeah, thank you everyone and keep supporting. Bye bye.
Bye bye. See you soon. God's willing, all of you.
Bye bye.